Tumble my boosters, Eric here, and we're getting close. We might, we're probably not gonna beat Gavin. We're not gonna beat Gavin. There's no way, but you know, it's worth a shot. It's worth giving our effort, but man, if I knew Gavin was gonna win no matter what I did, I would have quit. Nah, just kidding. Okay. We've had goal getters. Alright, I understand that. I know the strat for this one. Basically, you have to kick around the lobby. You have to kick around where the color of the grass separates. It's like there's an incel post somewhere in here. Lost one. Luckily, nobody's gonna overtake me.
Finish.
Oh, then. Alright, let's see the results. 1 and 4. Yeah, the guys were doing much better than the girls. There's an incel post somewhere in there. But I don't want it. I don't really like use this too much, but I'm taking it so you can have it. Oh, I got a line of boys. That's where the least a few points. That's good. Wildly. Okay. This guy's a little bit of something that round. Tropical Punch! I remember Dark Card uploaded a video like a bizarre glitch that happened in this one. Like, someone just freaking out after finding like all basic laws of physics. Ah! Well, I guess we can take that dream of beating Gavin and throw it out the window, eh? Have I gotten second or third in any of these mini games yet? I think I've only gotten like first and fourth. Let's watch everybody else do their thing. They just got one to go. I wonder if we get points to like have like a 3x2, but, like they're all the same color. Has anybody ever done that before? Ooh. What do I want though? Can't say anything about that. I'm actually not sure what to do. I guess.
1 to go.
1 to go. Yeah, strategy steps. Last time we did Wii Party content, this minigame lasted forever. Whoa! There's got something. I hate it when that happens because like you're not gonna be able to move at all. You're just gonna have to like decide. I hate this because you're not gonna be able to move at all. But you're gonna have to what I'm trying to say. You're not gonna be able to move at all. So you're just gonna have to like hopefully block something you want to block. Like that again. I guess we can throw out the notion that I've only gotten first and fourth all these mini games. So now I've got a third. Wow. And now watch someone win. Someone's about to win, right? I guarantee you, someone's gonna win. Dang, Megan really is going for all blues.
One to go.
Okay, nobody's actually about to win, but no. Olivia! Whatever! Okay. Chin up champ. I am either like the best player ever, or I absolutely suck hitting all the CPUs. I can't do that in real life. Honestly, I remember when I was a kid, I never played on the monkey bars because I couldn't hold on to both. I couldn't hold on to them. You know what? I like purple. I'll keep you in, then we say. Oh! It's green! This is my chance! And my chance is ruined by Risky Man Mode! Start! I know left is it. Yes, I am like left-handed. Let's go! Okay. Nice! That's a good wallpaper right there. I don't know. What someone want to make that wallpaper? Just me riding by, being happy because I won, and I'm about to win this round. Who knows? Let's show them what for. 3 by 2. Let's get some extra points for having roll boys. Game over. Now, who's on it? How? 1 point off. 1 point off. How nice. How absolutely fine and dandy. Whoopity doobity da da da. It's almost like I don't want to kill myself. Well, I guess that's it then. There's that's lot meat. I lost. Got second, but at least that's better than how I did back in Globetrot. I think I won Globetrot like once. So I don't know why. I don't know. I'm trying to drag this on, but yeah. I hope. I mean, hey, if you don't want to wait like 5 years for me to make the next part, you guys show these Wii Party videos a bit of love. Thanks for watching. See you soon.